How to remove a repost on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove a repost on TikTok. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, at the middle section of the screen, there you'll see the multiple option. So from there, you can just tap on the repost icon. And now here, under this section, you'll see all the videos that you have reposted on TikTok. So there you can just scroll through the repost section or feed and find the video that you want to remove. And now here, once you've found that, you can just tap on it to open the video. And now here, once you're inside the video, what you can do is just tap on the share button, which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, just tap on this option labeled as delete repost. And that's it. Now your repost have been deleted from your account. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.